Don't buy Bitcoin just yet. If you're considering buying Bitcoin right now, take a step back. This might not be the ideal time to jump in. When an asset like Bitcoin reaches an all-time high, it often faces a natural pullback as early investors start locking in their profits. This means the price could suddenly drop, and if you buy in at the peak, you risk falling into what's known as a bull trap. A bull trap happens when the price initially spikes, drawing in new buyers, only to reverse direction as those who bought in at lower prices begin selling to secure their gains. This scenario can be risky, as you might end up buying high and watching the value fall right after. A more strategic approach is to wait for what traders call a retracement, a temporary price pullback to a more stable support level. This type of pullback often follows a significant surge in price and can present a more favorable entry point. Looking at Bitcoin's previous price movements, we can see a buildup of selling orders between the $72,000 to $73,000 range. This indicates that Bitcoin's price might eventually pull back to this level, which could offer a better opportunity to buy. This range, once a resistance level where investors previously sold, could soon transform into a support level where new buyers start stepping in. By waiting for the price to retrace to this support level, you reduce the risk of buying high and allow your investment a better chance to grow over time. If you're serious about buying Bitcoin, it's wise to wait until it retraces to around the $72,000 to $73,000 range. We can't predict exactly when this will happen, but looking at historical trends, it's a likely scenario. Bitcoin, like most financial assets, tends to move in waves. After a strong upward movement, it's common to see a period of retracement and consolidation, where the price stabilizes before potentially rising again. By waiting for this retracement, you avoid the risk of getting in at the peak and benefit from entering at a more balanced point. Another reason buying Bitcoin at this all-time high is risky is due to some upcoming fundamental news that could impact the market in the short term. Major economic events, which we see highlighted in red on financial calendars, often lead to increased market volatility. High-impact news can influence not only traditional stock markets but also the cryptocurrency market, including Bitcoin. If the news is negative, it could cause the price of Bitcoin to dip as investors turn cautious. However, if the news is positive and supportive of economic growth, it could strengthen investor confidence, which may stabilize or even boost Bitcoin's price. Either way, this upcoming news adds a layer of uncertainty, so it might be wise to wait and see how the market responds before making any buying decisions. It's also crucial to remember the importance of setting a stop-loss on all your investments. A stop-loss is essentially a safeguard that automatically sells your asset if it reaches a predetermined low price, which helps you avoid significant losses. Markets are unpredictable, and having a stop-loss in place can save your capital if things don't go as planned. Additionally, only invest money you're willing to lose. This mindset is essential in the highly volatile world of cryptocurrency. By only using funds you can afford to part with, you reduce stress and ensure you're prepared for any outcome, even if the market takes an unexpected turn. Thank you so much for watching. Be patient, stay informed, and remember, smart investing is all about timing, preparation, and self-discipline. Until next time, have a fantastic day and happy trading.